Hi everyone, today I want to talk about how AI tools are actually changing the game in digital marketing. If you're a business owner who's handling social media, writing articles for your business, or running ads on your own, this video helps you save time and money so you can focus on your business operations rather than spending more time on marketing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, I'm Vignes, your digital marketing advisor in London with over 20 years of experience in brand building and integrated marketing. Before we start, can I ask you for a quick favor? Hit that subscribe button. It really helps and motivates us to keep making more digital marketing content like this one. Thanks a lot. Let's start with content, which plays a key part in digital marketing strategy and SEO. AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper can help you write blog posts, social media captions, and ad copy, whatever you name it. These tools aren't perfect, but they are great for speeding up the content production process. You just feed them with a prompt like write an Instagram caption about eco-friendly fashion or for your bakery business, and they will generate ideas in seconds. But remember, you will still need to tweak the tone, make it fit for your brand. But the heavy lifting is done for you. There are also tools like Copy.ai that focus specifically on marketing language, taglines, product description, and email subject line, all optimized for engagement. Start using them today to produce more engaging content and social posts. Next, let's talk about visuals. Not everyone has a graphic designer on standby, and that's where tools like Canva, AI feature, or Adobe Express comes in handy. They help you generate designs based on your brand colors, logo, and content. You can even use DALL-E or Midjourney to create custom images from just a text description. Want a background image of a cozy coffee shop for your brand or your landing page? Just type it and you get a plenty of options to choose. So no more stock photos hunting needed. The next one is for SEO, which can be a headache, but AI tool can make it easier. Tools like Surfer SEO and Phrase that can analyze top ranking content and give you real-time suggestions, like what keywords to include, heading to use, and ideal word count. It's like having a search engine whispering what it likes while you write. This helps you create content that's not only valuable to the readers but also ranks better. The next AI tool helps for paid campaigns or paid ads. Platforms like Facebook and Google already use AI to help you with targeting, but you can take it a step further. AdCreative.ai, for example, helps you generate ad creatives using images and text based on what performs well in your industry. And then there's a Phrases, which uses AI to write subject lines, push notification, and even SMS copy that gets higher open rates. These tools learn what your audience reacts to and adapts over time to get a better ROI results for your campaigns. Finally, data. You can't improve what you don't measure. And personally, I love marketing data as it really helps me to plan my clients' marketing strategy and budget based on their previous data. AI tools like Google Analytics 4 now use machine learning to show you predictive insights like who's likely to buy or what pages might be losing your visitors. And with Zapier or Make, you can automate repetitive tasks like sending leads from a form straight into your CRM or email list without writing a line of code. In this video, I've just discussed very basic and essential AI tool which can be used by business owners like you on a daily basis without spending too much money for your marketing. If you're not already using these tools, start exploring them today. Even a small changes can free up hours of time and make your marketing way more effective. Let me know in the comments which AI tools you are using or want to try. And if you're someone who's struggling to generate leads to your business and any digital marketing support, myself and my team at Rank Cycles are here for you. Click the link below to book your free consultation today. Before you go, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your fellow business friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Finally, stay happy, keep growing, and let's build a positive world around us. Until then, this is Vignesh, your digital marketing advisor. See you in the next video. Thank you.